So just taking look on this file, we can see that because the wind is coming from this direction, and therefore we have the maximum impact on this location. And especially if you observe that these supports, they have deformed a lot, and so it means that we need to have some strengthening mechanism on the bottom side, as we have seen in the real pictures. And maybe we have some rings around these supports here, and in between them we should be placing some more supports, like we can put the one plate here to join these two parts, and then we can have the one or two rings around this whole geometry so that they can get strength. And if you display the results in the animation form, you will see that how this deformation is taking place on the model. Okay, again I will start from in this view. So again click on the play. This is the original shape, and then after the load is applied, it is being deformed. This is the maximum point of impact. And then from top side you can see that the circular shape is deformed into the oval shape or elliptical shape. Okay, I will stop here, and I will make a movie of 10 seconds, and I will be putting the 100 frames, and this time I will output this movie file to my working folder. Alright, so that movie has been saved in the working folder, and now it's time to play that movie from that location. So let's go to that location and play the movie. Okay, so double click this file, and this file is very useful when you want to show this file for your presentation purpose, or maybe you want to upload on some maybe like a YouTube. So this is how we make these files. And whatever view you select in the screen, that will be also displayed in this movie file. Alright, so in this way we have finished this project on the one-way FSI of the cooling tower, and we started with the geometry sketch from some of the research papers. I will be putting a link in that PDF file or PPT file. And then we constructed geometry in the space claim. Then we processed geometry for the CFD part and also for the FEA part. And then for the CFD part, we made the mesh with the prism layers around that whole structure, including the ground. And then we solved the case at the 20 meter per second. And after that, solution was imported into the structural mechanical part. And also we built the model, we made the mesh, we applied the fixed supports on the bottom, and we have imported loads from CFD into FEA, and then we made a solution like here. And right now we have just put the deformation as a variable to get as results, but you can also go with the further analysis. You can go with the stresses, the maximum stress point, you can go with the principal stresses, and maybe you can try to strengthen these rings by putting rings on the bottom side. You can change the thickness of these plates. You can put some extra plates between them. So this may be your assignment for this project. So you may try on your own. You can communicate with me through the question answer section on this course, and we can discuss further about these things. Thank you for watching.